I love making all different kinds of protein shakes, and my favorite right now is the caramel with chocolate. So I've just been kind of putting them together. Oftentimes I'll throw it in a big blender, or even just like try and take my spoon and whisk it together. And then when I came across this bottle, I was like, this is perfect because I can just make it in here, bring it with me on the go, and it's not as big and bulky as actually then having to clean out my massive blender after. So basically this is the cup, of course, and then this is like the little part here that's going to blend it. I do love that it is plastic. So again, keep in mind, this is not something for ice. This is literally for protein shakes, just to help you get that mixed and then so that you can bring it with you on the go. You could even mix this before you're leaving your house, put it in your bag, and then when you get where you need to go, blend it and then drink it then if you're not drinking it right then and there. So we're just gonna go ahead and give this a try. So you can put, so I did read that it says 24 ounces you can put, but I see up on this side you have the little line for 20 ounces, and okay, maybe there's an extra 4 ounces there, but I feel like 20 ounces is probably the max that you're gonna wanna put in there, or else it's just gonna be like way too full, in my opinion, but we'll see. And then I'm just gonna grab a scoop of this. So we've got protein on top of protein, a nice full scoop. We're gonna see how well this blends. I do love that you have this part here. You can actually hook this onto a bag or just carry it this way if you want to. And then you've got the great spout here up at the top. Let's go ahead and pull that off there. And then this is also rechargeable, by the way. So of course they do give you the cable to charge that, and that's gonna be right here for charging. So let's go ahead and close this up. Before I start blending, I just want to make sure that this is leak proof. I'm assuming it is, because that is definitely, oh, it is definitely not leak proof. So you want to keep that in mind. It could be that I didn't put this on properly, but you want to keep that in mind. You don't want to just throw this in the bag. It must be that I didn't put it on properly. There's no way that that's going to leak on the bottom like that. So that's definitely my bad. But yeah, the top part didn't leak. So let's go ahead and turn this on. I think it's just a long press. There we go. And check that out. Beautiful spinning. Everything's getting nice and mixed. Obviously you can kind of, because I did the little like try and spill test, I got some of that protein stuck there on the side, but that's just a little bit of the residue there. But yeah, nice and mixed. You can see all that. It's quite powerful. And the other thing too I've noticed is that even though you've got like a little blender at the bottom here, it's not adding a ton of weight to the bottle. I think my water bottle definitely weighs more than this, so that's pretty cool. So turn that off, and then now my hands are all sticky, but got a great little spout here, and then let's see if that is properly mixed. Oh yeah, definitely. I don't have like big chunks in there. That is delicious. This bottle is awesome. So I just wanted to quickly come back here and say, clearly I hadn't had my protein because I didn't twist it hard enough. So when it was leaking, that was just definitely my bad. And I did say it probably was my bad, and it for sure is, because as you can see, it is not leaking here. I just hadn't put it on correct. So yeah, this bottle is 10 times more awesome than I thought it was going to be.